In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Smartsheet. Filtering is a great way to quickly find the exact rows you care about in a busy sheet without deleting or changing any data. You're simply telling Smartsheet, show me only the rows that match these conditions, and hiding the rest from view for the moment. Let's walk through the basic process step by step. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in grid view, where you can see your columns and rows. At the top of the sheet, in the toolbar, you'll see an option labeled Filter. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the filter panel or filter settings, depending on your layout, and this is where you'll set the rules for what you want to see. Next, you'll type in the name or value that you want to filter by. For example, if you're looking for all the tasks assigned to a specific person, you would type that person's name. If you're filtering by a project, a client, or any other keyword, you can type that in as well. Think of this as telling Smartsheet, find all the rows that contain this text. After you've entered the name or value, you need to tell Smartsheet which column to look at. This is what select field refers to. Click on the field or column drop down and choose the column where that information lives. For instance, if you're filtering by someone's name, you might pick the assigned to column. If you're filtering by project name, choose the appropriate project column. Selecting the correct field is important because Smartsheet will only look for your text inside that column. Once you've chosen your field and typed in your value, you're ready to run the filter. Click on Apply. Smartsheet will instantly scan the sheet, hide all rows that don't match your criteria, and show only the rows that do. You haven't removed any data. Everything is still there, just temporarily hidden from view to reduce clutter. If you don't see the results you expect, you can simply reopen the filter, adjust the name or change the field, and click Apply again. When you're finished working with that view, you can clear or turn off the filter to bring all your rows back. And that's it. By clicking on Filter, typing in a name, selecting the right field, and hitting Apply, you can quickly focus on exactly the information you need in Smartsheet.